We are always surrounded by beauty. The challenge is whether we allow ourselves to see it, because life can be very distracting, especially if you live a fast-paced lifestyle. If ever you feel stuck, take a pause to be inspired by your surroundings. Some of the greatest paintings of all time were inspired by nature. Irises by Van Gogh, painted in 1889, was inspired by simple flowers. The thing is that these inspirations are free and ready for you to access it whenever you so choose. The key is to be present. Here is an effective way to be more present, and it is the art of doing things slowly, deliberately, and more consciously. And if these just get you started, then we've got the mindfulness course coming up. Now, prepare a bowl of mixed nuts in front of you. You can do this at any time of the day. Then, when you are ready, slowly reach out to select any nut and bring it close to you. Feel free to feel and analyze the texture. You can do whatever you want with it. The goal is to fully understand and focus your awareness on that single nut. Now, the next thing to do is put the nut slowly into your mouth, but don't chew it yet. Taste the nut. Taste how it feels in your mouth first before you chew, and when you chew, do it slowly. Focus to find the taste of the nut instead of the act of chewing. Think about that and try it. You'll be amazed how often we just chew. Okay, the next thing is to allocate at least 10 to 15 minutes for this exercise. You may feel the need to rush through something as simple as eating nuts, but refrain from doing so. Rushing through it defeats the purpose of this presence kind of exercise. Now, what you will find at the end of this exercise is the discovery of joy in something as simple as eating a single nut. You would be surprised at how much taste and aroma can come from something simple when we bring our focus and awareness to the current act. You may feel that this is something trivial, but hey, don't take my word for it. Try it out and see for yourself. Then you can laugh at it. Don't miss out on the simple joys it brings.